Do you get stuck for words when you say something? Do you feel that you have so many ideas but somehow you're unable to express exactly what you want to say? Does it seem like building word power is such a difficult task? Hi everybody, my name is Suman and I'm a soft skills and communication trainer. Today I'm going to share a secret with you to build your word power and make it as easy as 1, 2, 3. The secret to building word power for corporate communication is to focus on the depth, not the breadth. When we prepare for a lot of entrance exams, we are required to know a variety of words. Whereas when we talk at work, we just need to know a variety of words enough to go ahead and express what we want to say. Let me give you an example. If you're sitting in a meeting and you talk about, say, a very common word which is challenge or issue, I hear these words come up again and again when I do role plays with my clients. It's a challenge, it's an issue. What about we go ahead and look up more synonyms for the same word and see how we can be more specific and articulate in what exactly we want to say? Is it a challenge? Is it an obstacle? Is it a stumbling block? Is it a consequence? Is it a side effect? There can be so many different ways to talk about what is that issue, what is that problem. Similarly, when we want to say that this is good, this is great, what is so great about it? Is it time saving? Is it beautiful? Is it money saving? Is it excellent? Is it brilliant? There are so many different ways to go ahead and express the same thing by specifying what exactly do you mean instead of using words good and problem all the time. I hope this tip will help you work on your word power. Don't forget to check the resources that I've shared in the comment to help you further. Till then, follow #upskillwithsuman. Till the next video, thank you so much.